Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want everyone in your household to stay organized, setting up a family calendar on the Echo Show 15 is one of the most useful features available. The Echo Show 15 allows you to display schedules, appointments, and reminders in one central location so that every family member can stay informed. Proper setup ensures that events sync correctly and are easy to access throughout the day. Fortunately, the process is simple and doesn't take very long. In this video, I'll guide you through several easy steps that can help you set up a family calendar on your Echo Show 15. Try these. Step 1. Make sure the Echo Show 15 is connected to Wi Fi and signed into the appropriate account. Step 2. Open the settings available on the Echo Show 15 and locate calendar options. Step 3. Link the preferred calendar account to the Echo Show 15. Step 4. Allow the Echo Show 15 enough time to synchronize calendar information. Step 5. Add a sample event through the Echo Show 15 to verify that scheduling works correctly. Step 6. Confirm that upcoming events are displayed properly on the Echo Show 15 family calendar screen.